Alright guys, let's talk about how to use the unit circle. On all your unit circles, any unit circle that you find online or the one that I'm going to put in Schoology for you, you're going to see a point that says cosine theta, sine theta. What this means is my x value is my cosine and my y value is my sine. So what we're going to concentrate on today is that I always do sine, cosine, tangent. So sine of an angle, when I'm talking about the unit circle, is actually just your y value. Cosine of your unit circle is just the x value, and tangent of some value is y over x. I wonder if I've seen y over x before. I bet this is slope, because that's just a point and 0, 0 gives me y over x. This is just slope. So tangent of an angle is just a slope of your terminal side, your terminal ray that's coming out of the origin. All right. So if I ask you a question like, what is sine of 5 pi over 4? There's no work to be done on this. You can't type it in the calculator because I want an exact answer. So I'm going to go find 5 pi over 4 in radians, which is right here. Sine is my y value. I'm going to go to the y value coordinate. That is negative square root of 2 over 2. There's your answer. I'm going to ask you to do cosine. I don't know. Let's do 11 pi over 6. So I want to find 11 pi over 6, which is here. Cosine is the x value. This becomes square root of 3 over 2. So the x values and y values actually tell you the sine and cosine values. So now let's take a look at tangent, because that you're going to have to do a little calculation on. All right, let's look at an example at tangent. So let's do, I can ask you, give me the exact value of tangent of 5 pi over 6. Well, I know this is going to be my y over my x. So I need to go to find 5 pi over 6, which because I know the numerator is 1 less than the denominator, it's got to be in quadrant 2. When we come to quadrant 2, here's 5 pi over 6. I know my tangent is y over x. Well, my y value is the square root of 2 over 2. Oh, no, the 1/2. Looking at the wrong spot. 1/2, my x value is negative square root of 3 over 2. Do not leave your answer like this. This is not complete. This really means 1/2 divided by negative square root of 3 over 2. Make sure I don't lose my negative sign. This means I have to keep flip change. I want to keep my first fraction. I'm going to change it to multiplication, and I'm going to flip my second fraction. My 2's cancel, become 1. This becomes 1 over the square root of 3. Do not leave a square root in the denominator. We must rationalize it. So I'm going to do square root of 3 over the square root of 3. 1 times the square root of 3 is square root of 3 over, let's see, 3 times 3 is 9. Square root of 9 is 3. This right here is the exact value of tangent of 5 pi over 6. That is how you find tangent using the unit circle. It's just y divided by x, which is just slope. Hi, I'm Mr. Buzzard, and these videos are supplemental instruction for my students. If you found the video enjoyable, make sure you click the like button and click subscribe, as well as the bell for notifications to receive future videos on high school mathematics.